Welcome to this tutorial on how to analyze Debank historical data. Debank is a popular platform for tracking and analyzing cryptocurrency portfolios and transactions. Analyzing historical data on Debank can help you make informed investment decisions and track your portfolio's performance over time. To start analyzing Debank historical data, first log into your Debank account and navigate to the portfolio dashboard. Here you can view an overview of your portfolio's performance, including the total value, profit and loss, and asset allocation. Next, click on the Transactions tab to view a list of all your historical transactions. This includes deposits, withdrawals, and trades. You can filter transactions by date, asset, and type to help you analyze specific periods or activities. To dive deeper into your portfolio's performance, use the Debank Analytics tool. This provides a range of metrics, including daily and monthly returns, Sharpe ratio, and maximum drawdown. These metrics can help you evaluate your portfolio's risk and return profile. When analyzing Debank historical data, it's essential to consider key concepts such as timeframes, asset allocation, and market trends. For example, analyzing data over a short time frame may not provide a complete picture of your portfolio's performance, while analyzing data over a longer time frame can help you identify trends and patterns. To get the most out of Debank historical data, use practical examples such as tracking the performance of specific assets or strategies. For instance, you can analyze the performance of a particular cryptocurrency or a diversified portfolio over time. Best practices for analyzing Debank historical data include regularly reviewing and updating your portfolio, diversifying your assets, and staying informed about market trends and conditions. By following these best practices and using Debank's analytics tools, you can make informed investment decisions and optimize your portfolio's performance. In conclusion, analyzing Debank historical data is a valuable tool for tracking and optimizing your cryptocurrency portfolio. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and considering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices, you can gain a deeper understanding of your portfolio's performance and make informed investment decisions.